षष्ठः पाठः गृहं शून्यं सुतां विना. We are learning about the importance of girl child and women education in this lesson. Here in yesterday's part we learned that while going to the hospital, Mala said that Shalini's brother wants to test the gender of fetal, and if that is girl, he wants to abort that. That time Shalini got angry and she is asking that how come my brother can think like this? If it is girl child, how come he can expect to kill that mercilessly? So she shows her opposition on testing the gender and finding whether it is boy or girl. So let us continue from that part today. त्वं विरोधं न कृतवती सः तव शरीरे स्थितस्य शिशोः वधार्थं चिन्तयति त्वं तूष्णीं तिष्ठसि. त्वं विरोधं न कृतवती सः तव शरीरे स्थितस्य शिशोः वधार्थं चिन्तयति त्वं तूष्णीं तिष्ठसि. So here Shalini continues her opinion that त्वं विरोधं न कृतवती. When your husband asks you to test the gender and to abort the girl child, why you didn't oppose him? Virodham means opposing. Na कृतवती. सः तव शरीरे स्थितस्य शिशोः वधार्थं चिन्तयति. He thinks about the killing of a baby which is there in your body. So how come त्वं तूष्णीं तिष्ठसि? How come you can be quiet in this matter? Didn't you oppose him? How can you keep quiet when he expect you to kill the baby? त्वं you virodham oppose, कृतवती did, tava your, sharire in the body, sthitasya having, shishoho of child, vadhartam to kill, chintayati thinks, tushnim silently, tishtasi stay. अधुनैव गृहं चल नास्ति आवश्यकता लिङ्गपरीक्षणस्य. भ्राता यदा गृहम् आगमिष्यति अहं वार्तां करिष्ये. अधुना एव गृहं चल न अस्ति आवश्यकता लिङ्गपरीक्षणस्य. भ्राता यदा गृहम् आगमिष्यति अहं वार्तां करिष्ये. So Shalini says, Adunaiva griham chala. Now itself, griham chala. Let us go back to our house. We no need to go to the doctor. Nasti avashyakata linga parikshanasya. There is no necessity of testing the gender. Avashyakata means necessity. So let us go back home. Brata yada griham agamishyati. When my brother comes back home from the office, griham means house, agamishyati will come. Aham vartam karishye. I will talk to him. You don't worry, you don't be scared of him. I will take care of this issue. I will talk to my brother. Now itself, let us go back home. No need of gender test. When brother comes, I will talk to him. Adhunaiva, aduna plus eva. Now itself, griham chala, go home, avashyakata necessity, linga parikshanasya of gender test, bhrata brother, yada when, griham house, agamishyati will come, vartam karishye talk to him. Sandhya kale भ्राता आगच्छति हस्तपादादिकं प्रक्षाल्य वस्त्राणि च परिवर्त्य पूजागृहं गत्वा दीपं प्रज्वालयति भवानीस्तुतिं चापि करोति तदनन्तरं छायापानार्थं सर्वेपि एकत्रिताः सन्ध्याकाले भ्राता आगच्छति हस्तपादादिकं प्रक्षाल्य वस्त्राणि च परिवर्त्य पूजागृहं गत्वा दीपं प्रज्वालयति भवानी स्तुतिं च अपि करोति तदनन्तरं छायापानार्थं सर्वे अपि एकत्रिताः. So Shalini and Mala came back to their house without going to the doctor and without testing the gender. Sandhya Kale, in the evening, Bhrata Agachati. Brother comes back from his office after coming home. Hasta Padadikam Prakshalya. After washing his hand and leg. Hastaha means hand, Pada means leg. Adikam Prakshalya. Vastrani cha Parivartya. Changing his dress. Puja Griham Gatva Deepam Prajwalayati. Goes to Puja room, prayer room, and Deepam Prajwalayati. Lights the lamp. Bhavani Stutim Chapi Karoti, and does prayer to Goddess Durga. Bhavani Stuti means prayer of the Goddess Durga. Tadanantaram Chayapanartham Sarve Api Ekatritaha. After prayer, everyone gathered together for evening tea. In the evening, brother comes after washing hand and leg, changing the cloth, does prayer in the prayer room. Afterwards, all gathered together for tea. Sandhya Kale, in the evening, Bhrata, brother, Agachati, comes, Hastapadadikam, hand and leg, Prakshalya, after washing, Vastrani, cloths, Parivartya, after changing, Puja Griham, prayer room, Deepam, lamp, Prajwalayati, lights, Bhavani Stutim, prayer to God or prayer to Goddess Durga. Tadanantaram, afterwards, Chayapanartham, for tea, Sarvepi, all, Ekatritaha, gathered. Thank you, children.